In May, software developers Kimmo and Vesa from Vertex Tampere visited the PMMHF fair in China, Guangzhou, also known as Canton. On the first day, Kimmo and Vesa visited a shopping street and got to know the local cuisine. Even soup was eaten with chopsticks, but the guys handled that well. The next day, our adventurers got down to business and visited the fair. There were constructors, building supply vendors and roll former retailers, of which many were customers of Vertex already. The roll former machine was an interesting one to see in use. The 3D models developed at Vertex are automatically transferred to the machine, and the steel profiles the machine makes can become, for instance, structures of a building. At the other end of the roll former machine, there is a steel plate or a band that is driven into the machine, and from the other end you get out complete C-profiles. After the fair, Kimmo and Vesa visited the city once again and had dinner with people from Vertex and FrameMag, while using a traditional Chinese rotary dining table. On the last day, Wednesday, the guys continued to see the fair and studied especially the details and constructions of machine tools. In the afternoon, it was time to visit an atmospheric small island in the heart of the city, where tourists enjoy the views and attractions. After the island, Kimmo and Vesa were taken to see a more exotic place, a shopping street used by the locals. The trip was an amazing experience and a unique opportunity for Kimmo and Vesa to see the CFS construction up close and get to learn how Vertex software is used in practice. Thank you to Vertex and Juho for this possibility.